Hello people. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a vision board. A vision board is just a visualization of all your set goals and accomplishments and New Year resolutions and blah 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 that you have made for the year. So it's just making everything visual, because in Habakkuk chapter 2 verse 2 it says, write down your goals, write down your visions and make it known so you can run with it. That's not the exact word, but that's how I'm going to place it. But I'll put it on the screen so everyone can see. So like I said, I'm going to be showing you how to make a vision board. It's quite easy. It's very easy, don't worry, don't be scared. And to make this vision board, I'll be using an app rather called Canva. Now it's 2020. Usually vision boards are made with cardboard and paper and then cutouts from magazines or newspapers or whatever that is used to identify each vision that you've made for the year. But instead of that, we're going to be digitalizing it and we're going to be using the app. Now this app, I use it for a lot of things. I use it to make my thumbnail, I use it to make my intros, my outros, everything I need for my YouTube channel except for editing. And then this app, you can also use it to make a vision board. So I've already done that using my laptop as a demo. It's not my exact vision board, but just examples so you guys can have an idea and see how you can do it. So after you guys watch that, I hope you understand every step. I hope you know how to make your own vision board at the end of the day. It's very easy to make. It's just something you can use, and then you can use it as your wallpaper, your screensaver, your lock screen. Just put it somewhere you see it every day and every time, so it reminds you all throughout the year, all throughout the month, depending on the lifespan of your goals that you've set in place. It just reminds you that you need to tick this off the box, you need to get this out of your list, you need to do this, you need to do that. That's the main aim of the vision board. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hey guys, so if you made it here, you really want to do this. So you download the Canva app in your app store or Play Store, whatever device you use. And when you open the app, this is what it looks like. It has a wide range of choices of things for you to do. You have your Instagram story, creative designs, Facebook posts, Twitter posts, posters, flyers, IVs, and all of that. So it depends on whatever you want to make. Well, for today we're creating a vision board. So you just search in the search bar mood boards photo collage, and then you have a long unending list of mood board photo collages. So they're just basic photo collage, your good old photo collage that you find in photo grid and whatnot, but we're going to be using them to make our vision boards. You need a collage because you need different parts and spaces to fit in your different goals for the year or for 2 years, or depending on how long your vision boards are. So I'm just going to scroll through and pick whatever suits my taste right now. This is a demo, so I'm just going to pick something that I feel like will suit what I want. So I think the search is finally over. I have finally found what I want, so I'm going to pick it now. And then I don't know what's wrong with my internet, it keeps being reconnecting. Anyways, so I'm going to change the text, because here it says my mood board for the summer of 2020. So I'm going to change that to year of growth, because this year we finna be growing. And then I'm going to change the other text to 2020 vision board. So once I'm done changing all of that, I will be inserting all my visions into the different boxes. So the first one, I'm going to search for YouTube, because anyways, let's just do it. And I'm going to find an image that suits me and then fix it there. And then the next one in my image, I'm going to be searching for eat healthy, because we need to be healthy this year. Nobody wants to be sick, so we can achieve all those goals. So for eating healthy, there are lots of options, as you can see. And if you notice, there are some options that have like coins on them by the far left or far right edge of the picture. That shows that you have to pay for that, so make sure you don't click on that except you've paid for the app. So I'm just going to be searching for free pictures or images, and I'm confused at this point. I don't know what to search for because all these things look like Oyibo food. But to make it easier, you can always search for things on Google and then download it to your phone or your computer, and then you use that from your camera roll instead of images. But I didn't do that, so I'm just going to search images and eventually pick something. So I finally found this black girl eating fruits, and that looks realistic, so I just added that to that box there. Now I'm going to search for Maldives because this year we are traveling, we are going on trips, and I found that picture right at the top, and I'm going to fix that down there as well because that's just Maldives. That's where I want to be. Inside the water. Anyways, now I'm going to search for, sorry for that pop-up. Now I'm going to search for camera. So when you click on the plus sign at the far right edge of this Canva app, you have options like camera roll, text, illustrations, images, colors, filters, and then I clicked on illustration and I couldn't find what I wanted. That's why I was seeing drawings of cameras, but now I clicked on images and I found this list of cameras, real life pictures of cameras. So I'm scrolling through and I'm not seeing what I want because all of these images do not suit my vision board. There are lots of options and I do not want to get lost in these options. So while we're looking for that, can you see how many options you have? Like you're just going down and down. I'm going back up now because I can't find anything before I get lost in the pool of options. And voila, I think I found something. Yep, I like this picture because it has a laptop, a phone, a jotter, and a camera on a bed because that's where I create most of everything. So I'm just going to fix that because I need a laptop and I need to like really get into this YouTube game. So you can double tap on the picture if it's cropped out too much, so you can fix it to the exact way you want it to look in the grid, in the photo grid. So that was what I did there. So for the next thing, we're going to search for Beyonce because we want to see Beyonce today. You might want to see Beyonce this year, tomorrow, and you know there's no Beyonce here, so we're just going to go to camera roll and pick Beyonce's picture. Now when you see this picture, nobody should start saying because that's Beyonce. That's Beyonce T. Yes. So we're going to fix Beyonce's picture there right at the top so that every day you gotta work hard, you gotta grind so you can meet Beyonce. Now I'm trying to adjust that right up there because I feel like it's covering Beyonce's picture, but I think I'm going to put it back because I like it there. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to search for devotion in our images as well, and then I found out that everything has coins here and I'm not about to pay for it, so we're just going to go to images again and then search for Bible, and right at the top there's a free image. I like that image because it shows my devotions. This year we have to bring God closer, we have to be closer to him, and we have to do our devotions every day. Now I'm going to add text by tapping on the T icon, and I'm going to write 5k subscribers, and then I'm going to change the color to black because I feel like I'll see it better when the color is in black. And then I'm going to increase the size, change the font, and all that good stuff, just as you can see me do on the screen. So when I have done all of that, now yes, you can see those crowns beside the font types. Anyone that has a crown shows that you have to pay for it and be on the Canva Pro, so don't click on it again. So I have gotten my desired features and I'm just going to place that there. See, looks good. 5k subscribers. Now I'm going to go to text again and write Maldives on my Maldives photo, so it clarifies it more that Temitayo is going to Maldives 2020. So I'm just going to drag that and place that down there and increase the size. So now I still do not like that orange background that says 2020 vision board. So I am going to double tap it and then reduce the transparency. And while I'm doing that, I realized that this 2020 vision board text is not clear. So I'm going to change that text to black because this is 2020 year of clearer vision. And we need to see those texts boldly. So I click on my plus icon, I click on my text icon, I click on color, and then I change them to black and make them bold. Now I'm just trying to navigate transparency to see how I like it, and I think I like it better off like this. We can see Queen Beyonce T, and we can see our 2020 vision board clearly. So now I'm going to click on the plus icon again and the text icon, and then add some text to my Beyonce T's picture so it is clarified, and then I'll add some emojis, drag that on top of my head and put that there. Then I'm going to click on the plus icon again, click on the image, and then now I am going to be searching for piggy bank, because as you can see we need some money to do all of this. So now I saw a free image that is perfect to me though, and I'm going to drag it to my preferred position. And after doing that, I'm going to click on the plus icon again and then click on the text icon, and I'm going to type in the exact amount I want to save this year. So let's say 3 million. Yeah, we're gonna be saving 3 million. Now I've clicked on the direction icon. You can move it in whatever direction you want, but I like it. Is this horizontal or vertical? Shall like this. I like it like this, so I'm going to put it on top so I can see it. Remember, 2020 clearer vision. That's what we're doing this year. So put all your text where you can see them clearly when you print them out or whatever you do with them. Now I'm going to add some more text, and I'm going to be typing every day, and I'm going to be dragging that to my devotion photo grid and place it how I want it, because devotions every day. Start your day with God and your day is gonna be lit. Take that from me. So now I'm looking at this vision board and it looks quite all right. It looks nice. I think I'm going to add another text and add the exact month and day I'm going to be going to Dubai. Did I say Dubai? Sorry, Maldives. So I put July 3rd. If you know, you know. And I'm just going to drag that to the Maldives photo grid and fix that properly. Now after I've done that, I still need to add a few tips and tricks to this vision board to make it my vision board. Remember, it's your vision board, it's not the population's vision board, it's yours. Now looking at it, I still don't like this orange background by my Maldives picture. What is it doing there? So I'm going to double tap it and then click on delete, and then I'm going to delete the whole group, not just the font or the text, and that is gone. And now I'm just going to save it. So it's preparing to save, making the magic happen. Yes, this magic is gonna happen. Remember, this vision board is just you visualizing and reminding yourself every day what you have to do. You have to put in some work, put in some action. Even the Bible says run with it, meaning you have to put in some energy, put in your time, put in your effort. You have to put in some work for all these things you have slated in this vision board to come to pass. And I hope you guys have learned how to make a vision board. I go to my photos, it is there, and now I'm just going to make it my wallpaper or my lock screen or whatever you call it. And that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you learned how to make your vision board and how to, make 2020 clearer vision. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video, let somebody else learn how to do all this good stuff, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you guys so much if you made it through to this point in this video. That's exactly how you can make your vision board. I hope you liked this video. Please do not forget to share, somebody might need it on your timeline. So please share my video, please like the video, subscribe to this channel, and then I'll see you in my next video. Thank you guys, bye.